everybody, my name is Nathan and today we are back with some more Reasons to Die Awakening. And if you guys are new to my channel, subscribe and hit that like button. Today, this is FFA or Free Fall, and this is when we fight other survivors, and yeah, you get the idea. And every kill you get 50 money stuff, and yeah, which is kind of a lot, because when you get a zombie kill, that's like 15, so it's about like, I don't know, 4 times or something, like 3.5 times or something, yeah. So yeah, and oh my, look at this guy, he has a rainbow, he's gonna throw stuff at it or something. Okay, so, oh dang, go away, go away, go away, go away, go away, I don't care about you. Pills. Oh, good thing I didn't die. I just got that kill for some reason. No? You're on climb and I despise your company. Well, I don't even own a company. Oh, I need to watch out. I need to watch out. Are there like any health kits? Oh yes, a health kit. Oh, I'll take. Can I have it? Thank you. Can I have it? Can I? Ooh, there's so right there, huh? Oh, okay. But can I get that pill for dang sake? Thank you. Okay. Now let's go. Give these guys some thumbs up. Got that! Yeah, you did so. Oh, dang. Dumb demon! Get rid of this. Nay. Go. Wanna fight? Wanna fight, bro? Wanna fight? Don't throw a grenade. Don't be that kind of. Ooh, you're gonna fight. I'm going up higher. Yeah, I don't like you despise, man. I better. Oh, I'll take. I'll get answer number 1. Oh dang! Get out my dang boy. Wow, yeah, wow. Nathan Flux win. Get over here, boy. No, watch his dang head. Oh wow, GG. Buffalo like switch. I know, I like switch. I saw that. And you know what like switching is? Okay, so this is what like switching is. So you turn on your notification, and that means that other people can't like walk or anything. And sorry about the blocking, I don't know. I can't do it. It's their neighbors. I can't do anything about it. So like, and then like, you turn on the internet connection. Then you put it up again. Then like you shoot the thing. Like that. Dub mod call him. Yeah, mod that. I'm not mod switching. As you see, I don't have any internet thingy, and yeah. So yeah. And oh, melee smash. So what melee smashes is, well, we get a melee weapon, and we beat each other up. Okay. And I'm going to kill. Oh, I don't know why, but that 2 grenades, but just deal with it. Okay. No code. You flags it because. Yeah. I hate lag switchers. I hate lag switchers too. Who cares? I care. don't care about teaming. Play solo. I'm playing this game right, okay? Like this guy, for example. Hi! Cat team. Oh, screw the dang lag switcher, man. Screw the dang lag switcher. FFA. Get boyo. Boyo. Oh yeah, I forgot. I can't get any grenades. What are you doing? Oh, that guy has a combat. Versus me in the bat? I don't think so. Boy, where is going down there anyway? 2v1? Nah, I don't want to go against a team of dumb idiots. So you have fun down there. Oh yeah, right here. Get off, damn. Wow. I hate teamers. Teamers are annoying. Like, why would you guys team? So annoying. I hate. Okay, you guys will learn the lesson one day. You'll see that teaming sucks. And like, you guys are like strangers or something. Take combat. Screw this. Fight. Oh, nade. That's what happened to teams. I hate teams, man. Okay, so looks like we're doing free fall again. Use that. Okay, sure. Oh yeah, sure, yeah. Go target me, yeah. Go target me, please. Thanks. Target him. Who's him's me? Yeah. Thanks, go target me. Yeah, go target me. Target me, okay, yeah, sure. Target me, I'm gonna beat you. Hold up. Go away. Get nade. Oh yeah, look, I'm so scared. Yeah, have fun finding up there. I'm just gonna wait up here. Oh yes, thing. I wonder what's in here. Oh yeah, more grenade. That's so great. Okay, so to do this, more grenade. And I did that for no dang reason. Oops, I am dumb. Not really dumb. Yeah, go upstairs to clean your room, trash kid. Boyo. Wow, those teamers. Why are there 4 teamers? Nay. Oh my god. AMG. Oh yeah, that's sweet. Dino is getting Boing. Comedy gold. Hey, yeah, I don't want to talk about. Ruin's fun. I guess, sure. MMA is like fighting with your fist or something. MMA. Go, 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 go. MS. Fight. You can kill with gun. Okay, shit. Use your toy bow. Bing. Look at it. Ooh. 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 Ha ha. Boy, you have a knee. Dude, boy, they shut your kneecaps or something, dude. I don't even know what MS is. Fight. Do 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 do. I can play show. Do 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 do. Mortal Kombat. Bow Kombat. Do 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 do. Bow and what? Wait. Combat. Do 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 do. Bow do 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 do. Bow and combat. Do 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 do. Bow and combat. Do 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 do. Okay, I'm gonna actually stop. Nade! Bundle line, boing. Man, you won because you have a minigun. I wish I really had a minigun right now. You look like God, Tom, Jerry, and stuff, man, with your dang toy bow and your dang minigun. You really want to kill Jerry, but that bad. Look at a minigun and with your dang toy bow. How is a toy bow supposed to kill a mouse, though? Okay. Buy the regular old things. Pills, 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 pills. Well, wait, but how much does the flamethrower cost? Because it looks good too, but I really want the minigun because it can be used in zombie and boss instead of the instead of the flamethrower, which means you get close combat, you know. So yeah, I may just want the minigun. God, how it smells. Oh, whatever. Let's go. Well, those are the old-fashioned things, you know, bazooka and Molotov and stuff. Okay. I'm whispering because I don't want them to know who I am. This is useless. Oh, dang! Ow. Oh, wow, it's the snipers. The snipes, though. We team, I have Down syndrome. Cat loves this boy. Gonna play his case soon. Oh yeah, it was like a case opening soon at a game thing soon where like you just like buy cases or something for some reason. I don't know why. And yeah. Like I don't think you can buy anything, like just look. But what is case clickers even useful anyway? Do you like get like clothes or something or what? I don't know. Nade. Oh look, this guy looks like he's sick. He's gonna to vomit. That's so not good. Boy, you snipe like a Why don't you go back to like playing Phantom Force instead of just R2DA? Take Dragon off or something like that. I actually really want to make it right now. Fight! Ha ha! Ha ha! Boy, what do you want? Adidas or something? Ha ha! Grenade. Boy, when you do that in the open net, that guy can just dodge. Ooh, no mercy, hospital, do that. And that's like an Easter egg, No Mercy. Like, there's like a song like, should make mercy, I make any kinds of put. Yeah, you know that song, you know, you get the idea. Yeah, that's a good song actually. Whoa, what's that am I supposed to be doing for you, dumb? UCK, that's trash, I think. I can just get wrecked. That kid just flashbanged himself. Boy, you can just get finished. Oh, you're gonna get Billy. Dude, man. Why don't you go live in the grass, boy? You look like you're from the grass or something. I love dinosaurs. Then go back to I don't know, before the dinosaurs were extinct, and have a pay them. Everybody time, yeah, target dino. Because we can. And to see why I'm just gonna say because we can. Leave my man Dino alone. I'm gonna go be a noob. Target Dino. Why should I don't care. Leave my man Dino alone. Oh, are you like a woman, like your girlfriend or something? Yeah, go get killed too with him. Too. Dang man. Oh yeah, I'm in this kind of spot. That's so amazing. Who, me? Okay. Fine, just say teamy team. Yo, yeah, I love dinosaurs. Get up, boy! Comedy gold. Tom and Jerry. Tom and Jerry right there. Oh, OBS. Why OBS like that dang recording software? I don't use OBS. I use the something. I don't know. Boy had a grenade, and what is that thing? It looks like a weird puck thingy. And don't worry, I didn't say anything about it, and that guy got me suicide. You didn't kill yourself though. TB for life. Tuberculosis? Yeah, that's what it stands for. No, I'm honest. TB is like tuberculosis. Search it up. Boop. Ba 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 ba. Okay, let's go. Oh yay! Oh yay! Jungle, yes, yo. Get over here! You can't do anything. Get naded! Ha! Shot and get wrecked. Oh, you better not throw a grenade at me, boy. Ooh. 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 In my life, where we finally reach the point everyone dies, I understand. Jerry, we usually go at the place for school. Oh god dang! Where's the guy going support? Get over here, boy! Ha 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 ha! dab, 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 dab. And you can maybe hear my key like that, you know? And I can't do it because it's my keyboard. And you're like, wait, you want me to buy like a mechanical keyboard cherry or whatever? No, I don't have to take money. Apparently my dad doesn't want me to buy it anyway too. Because it'll be a waste of money. That's how good the bat is. Like, you just like, lay down, like, you gotta, boom, wrecked. And that's why I like the bat. When I want to knock down people down. Like, the Rambo's okay, but, like, the bat has, like, a longer, wider swinging radius or something. Good idea. I don't want to talk smart or something. Okay. Oh, yeah, of course. Oh, yeah, I love dinosaurs. Yeah, it's so great of you to love dinosaurs. Grenade. Hi. Get grenaded, boils. Boy, you took over my... Ah, yes, thank you. Let me get my pills. That's good. I'll drop a huge ball on them. Hey, I think you're the only person. Whoa. Get over here! Boil! Ah, gee. Nice. Nice. That was a good one, actually. Nice. Oh, looks like I got a kill Victoria, so I'll later. I'm gonna give Victoria a flamethrower, man. The flamethrower is really good in FFA, but not good in like range. Oh, minigun versus flamethrower. Who wins? I wonder who wins. Puberty or something. Okay, so yeah, 7 people. And this strategy will keep on working if I just give all the kills. Dan? Bad boy. And you'll be thinking, so? They said bad word, so? That means, that's bad! First of all, like this, like, bad words are like words that make people sad. Like, for example, you a beep, okay, you know? But I didn't say it. So, like, I'm just giving you an example, okay? I'm not really saying it. If you think I'm saying it, then I'm sorry. Wow. Yeah, as you see, I hate teammates, but this guy says, like, oh, want a team, Nathan? Sure, I'll team with you. So, whoa, oh, God, dang. Oh, I think I said a bad word. Sonic died. No. Fine, beautiful, what you've done, boyo. Wait, Cat's a hacker? Don't. I'm not raging. That's an idiot person. I just say, okay, that's a good job, okay? I'm not like raging or anything. And what are you doing all the time? So you're just gonna grenade it by a grenade and boom with it. Don't, just don't. Ha ha! Oh my gosh. Ooh, dear. Just, you know, just. Oh, this is getting boring. Like, that boy's gonna die and that person's gonna win. Boy, their door is closed. Do you even see? Ooh. Ooh. How did that guy get a shirt like that? It looks kind of bad. What are you doing? Oh! Oh, Nade. You. Wow, boing for 40 seconds left or something. Aw. Who? What do you mean, aw? He's AFK? Of course he is. BK? What does BK mean though? 1v1? Use punch. Okay, never mind. I was gonna say punch only. Run the line, Willow. Okay, I'll play one last match and be done. Yes. Free ball. What an awesome game to do. Use grenades. Wrecked grenade stuff. And I know what free ball is. I think it's like only you can punch or something. Yeah, I think that means that you can only punch and yeah. Which means that it'll be kind of a challenge and fun too. Penguin guy team or something. Sonic. I don't want to say. He will deal with it. I'll just leave him alone or something. I hate tank fires. Whoa, I hate tank fires. Ooh. Mercy K. Boy, you don't listen. Boy, you don't. Boyo! Yeah, you want you to fight. I don't care about you all. And leave me alone. I'm just like trying to like pills. Pills here. Oh, come on. Yeah, I want you guys fight to the death, man. Like, I don't really care. Fight! You better. Boy, don't chase me. Boy. Boyo, boyo, boyo. Boyo. What? Huh? Hits. Okay. Okay, he's on our team. Okay, sure. wanna fight, bro? Oh, it's a matter of luck to do this, guy. GG. Well, I'm just gonna end it here, guys. And if you guys are new to my channel, subscribe and hit that like button, yes. And Sonic, bye.